Hello students, let us learn interpolation for unequal interval. We have already discussed with Newton's divided difference formula. Now let's do Lagrange's formula. Lagrange's usually they ask by name. Even if they don't ask by name, if the number of values given is less, it is advisable to use Lagrange's. If the numbers are more, then divided difference is much better. But for less number, Lagrange's is better. Now what is the method? Let us understand the formula. Now suppose your x values and y values are given. x0, x1, x2, y0, y1 and y2. To explain you the formula, I am taking less values, okay? Now you have to find out y at certain given x. Correct? So this y is given by, what you have to do, first step, hide this first number. Now x minus x1, x minus x2. Okay, what I did, x minus x1, x minus x2. Now this x0 is hidden in the first term. So in front of that, what is there? Y0. So y0 will come along with it. Upon. Now what was hidden? x0. Now you need to subtract all the values from x0. So x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2. So this is the first term. Then plus. Let's go for the second term. Now I will hide x1. So my term will be x minus x0, x minus x2. What is in front of hidden term? y1. So y1 upon hidden term minus remaining values of x. So x1 minus x0 and x1 minus x2 plus. Now x2 is a chance, right? So x minus x0, x minus x1, y2 upon x2 minus x0 and x2 minus x1. So this is a formula for if 3 values are given. If suppose 4 values are given, one more term will come. So you need to cover all the values. One by one you will hide each value of x and you will write. That's why it is more comfortable to use this formula when the number of given values are less. Okay. Now suppose if I do the reverse work. Means if I give you value of y and you have to find out the value of x, that is called the inverse interpolation. So suppose in this same case, if I want to do the inverse interpolation, I am finding out the value of x. So what will be the formula in that case? Now instead of hiding x column, I will be hiding y column. So first I will hide y0. So y minus y1, y minus y2, x0 upon y0 minus y1, y0 minus y2 plus y minus y0, y minus y2, x1 upon y1 minus y0 and y1 minus y2 plus third term. Third term how I will write? Y minus y0, y minus y1, x2 upon y2 minus y1, y2 minus y0. Right, so this will become the formula for inverse interpolation. If I ask you to find out polynomial, here in place of x I will keep x. If I ask you to find out the value of y at particular x, that particular value I should keep here. Okay, so this is the concept. Now let us start with some questions. Look at this question. Now apply the formula. Now y is equal to, I am not writing down the formula, you should write down the formula. When you are mentioning the formula, write down only 2 terms and put dash dash dash, and with values you write the whole formula. So first here I will hide 0. Sometimes it's easy for you, it is easy to make a vertical column, make the vertical and then do. No problem. Horizontally also you can apply. So first term is what? X minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 6. 0 was hidden, so minus 4 you write here. Now denominator, from 0 you subtract all the values of x. So 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 6 plus. Now it is a turn for 2. So x minus 0, x minus 3, x minus 6 and 2 upon 2 minus 0, 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 6. Next term plus. Okay. X minus 0, x minus 2, now 3 will go. X minus 6. So in front of 3 I have 14. Denominator subtract from 3. 3 minus 0, 3 minus 2 and 3 minus 6. Last term x minus 0, x minus 2, x minus 3, 158 upon 6 minus 4, 6 minus 0, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 3. Correct? So I have applied the formula for the given data. Now since I am asking you find value at 4, in place of x I should put 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 minus 4 upon minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 6 plus 4 into 1 into minus 2 into 2 upon 2 into minus 1 into minus 4. Correct? Plus 4 into 2 into minus 2 into 14 upon 3 into 1 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2 into 1 into 158 upon 6 into 4 into 3. Right? So now solve this. If you observe here, it will first term will come negative because 2 sign will get cancelled and 1 sign will remain. So this 2 and this 2 is gone. Right? Then 3 ones are 3. 3 will remain same. 2 3s are okay, and this 2 will go. So minus 4 by 9. Correct? So first term is minus 4 by 9. Same way check the second term. This 4 and this 4 is gone. This 2 and this 2 is gone, and again negative sign is coming. So minus 2. Correct? Next term if you check, it is 224 by 9. Then plus 158 by 9. Take the LCM and solve. You will get 40 as your answer. Correct? So it's easy. It looks lengthy, but it is very, very easy. Okay, let's go to the next question. Use Lagrange's formula to find y at x is equal to 10. So now let us apply. Y is equal to first block 5. Now I am not writing x also. Directly I will take 10. So 10 minus 6, 10 minus 9. But you should not do like this in exam. 10 minus 11 into 12 upon 5 minus 6, 5 minus 9, 5 minus 11 plus. Now hide 6. So 10 minus 5, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 11, and what is the term next? 13 upon 6 minus 5, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 11 plus. Okay, now 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 11. 9 I am skipping. In front of 9 I have 14 upon 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 11 plus. Now it is a turn of 11. So 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 9, 16 upon 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9. Correct? Now solve this. So y is equal to, when you solve all the terms, you will get 2 minus 13 by 3 plus 35 by 3 plus 16 by 3, which is equal to 14.67, which is your answer. Okay, this is how you have to do the questions. Let's see one more question. Now fit a polynomial and then find the value at 2. Now if I am fitting a polynomial, how I will write? X minus 0. First I am hiding the 0. So x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4 into minus 12 upon 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3, and 0 minus 4 plus. Now it is a term of 1. So x minus 3, x minus 4, and in front of that what is the term I have? 0. So this term no need to write because anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So gone. Plus x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 4, 6. Okay. So 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 4 plus x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 3 and 12 upon 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. Correct? Now let us simplify all the terms. So now what you have to do? Open all the brackets very carefully. It is simple algebra, but students usually do mistake when they open the brackets. So very carefully you open. And don't be in a hurry. You can always open one by one. Like here you can write like this and open the remaining two. So x square minus 7x plus 12. Okay. Second term anyhow became 0. Then plus 6x. Then x square minus 5x plus 4. Correct. And don't forget the denominator. Here what is the denominator? 3 4s are 12 and 1. So minus 12 actually I am getting. So minus 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled. Second term anyway is not there. This you see 3 2s are 6. Okay, and 1. So minus 6. Right, minus 6 I got. Then last term is plus. So I can write 12x and x square minus 4x plus 4 upon 4 3s are 12. So see all coefficients are getting cancelled. So sometimes it looks lengthy but it is not. So this minus 12 and minus 12 got cancelled. So x cube minus 7x square plus 12x minus x square plus 7x minus 12. So first I multiplied this x to all the three terms, then minus 1 to the all three terms. Here 6 and 6 gone. So minus x cube plus 5x square and minus 4x. Because of minus sign all terms became negative. Here plus x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. Correct? Now simplify. Highest degree is x cube. So this x cube and this x cubes are gone. So only x cube left. Now x square minus 7 minus 8 minus 12 and 12 plus 5 is 7. So minus 7x square. Then look at the x terms. Minus 4x plus 4x gone. Plus 12x. And plus 7 is also there. So 19x minus 12. Correct. So when you start doing, you will feel it is very lengthy. Okay. But when you start solving it, you may get the answer very quickly. See here it has to be 5. I wrote 7 by mistake. So if it is 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this will become 17x. Okay. See here I have done a silly mistake here. It was plus 3 and by mistake I wrote 4. So this will be 3x. So this will become your 18x, not the 19x. Okay. Now what is the next thing they are asking? Find the value at 2. So if you put 2 here, so 2 cube minus 7 2 square plus 18 into 2 minus 12, and when you solve you will get f of 2 is equal to 4, which is your answer. Right? So I got polynomial as well as I deduced the value of f2. Now this question you see, this is very common question for exam. Usually the following table gives the weight of babies. Estimate the weight of baby at the age of 7 months. Right? So age is given in month and weight is given. Apply the formula, put the values and you will get the answer easily. Right? Now see this type of question, again you have to form the polynomial. No need of making table here, directly apply the formula. Okay, same way you can do this question. Now inverse. Let us do one question based on inverse interpolation. Now what you have to do, you have to find x when y is given. So I will be hiding the terms of y. So now I'll write x is equal to, instead of y is equal to, I'll write x is equal to. So x is equal to what I'll do? Y minus 4.4. Y minus 7.9. In front of 2 who is there? 20. So 20 upon 2 minus 4.4, 2 minus 7.9. Okay, then plus. Now y minus 2, y minus 7.9 into 30 upon 4.4 minus 2, 4.4 minus 7.9. Okay. Then next, y minus 2, y minus 4.4, 40 upon 7.9 minus 4.4 and 7.9 minus 2. Correct? I substituted all the values. Now let us solve it. Now when you solve it, x is equal to, first term, what they are asking? They are asking find x when y is 6. So in place of y you have to put 6. So 6, here you will put 6 minus 4.4. Right? 6 minus 4.4 and 6 minus 7.9. So what you will get? 1.6 into minus 1.9 into 20 upon minus 2.4 into minus 5.9 plus 4 into minus 1.9 into 30 upon 2.4 and minus 3.5 plus 4 into 1.6 into 40 upon 5.9 and 3.5. So this, when you solve, x is equal to 35.2462. This is your answer. So you have calculator, it will not create trouble. Right? Now let's see one more question. See, this is how I can ask. Find the root of this equation given this. Root means what? Ki y is 0. What is the definition of root? The value of x for which y is 0. So this is a table and now you have to find out x when y is 0. So again inverse interpolation, and y value given is 0. Like in the previous question it was 6, in this question it is 0. So solve this question, you will get this answer. Right? So this is how you have to do the Lagranges, and we are done with the interpolation of unequal intervals. If you like the video, if you understood everything, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel so that you will get all the notification. Thank you.